welcome back to Hash and Pure Electronics with another video. And in this video we are going to make IR remote car using Arduino. We will use our TV remote to control the car. So let's get started and make this IR remote car. We will need 2WD car kit, which comes with car chassis, 2 TT gear motors, wheels, front wheel, connectors and screws. We will also need Arduino Nano, IR receiver module, IR remote, L298N motor driver module, 7 to 12 volt DC battery, in our case LiPo 2S battery, breadboard, double-sided tape and few jumper wires. First we need to get the IR codes of TV remote buttons. Please check this video on IR remote and receiver for this step. These are the codes for my remote. Let's assemble the car now. First let's solder wires to gear motors. Mount 2 motors on car chassis using connectors and screws. Attach front wheel now. Attach wheels to car now. Now let's make a connection as per circuit diagram. Fix L298N motor driver module on car chassis using double-sided tape. Connect right side motor to out 1 and out 2 pins of L298N motor driver module. Now connect left side motors to out 3 and out 4 pins of motor driver module. Mount Arduino Nano on breadboard. Mount IR receiver now. Fix this breadboard on car chassis using double-sided tape. Now connect L298N motor driver module to Arduino Nano pins as per table. Connect IR receiver to Arduino Nano. Attach DC battery power connector to motor driver module to plus 12 volt pin and ground pin. We will take plus 5 volt and ground from L298N motor driver module and provide to Arduino Nano through 5 volt and ground pin. Let's take a quick look at the code now. Inside code we need to include IR remote library. We have assigned the right and left motor pins. Then defined receive pin as D2. Then we have defined max motor speed as 200. Its max value can be 255. You can change this as per your need. Inside setup function, set the motor pins as output. Now enable IR input. Initially stop all the motors. We have created rotate motor function which takes right and left motor speed as arguments. It will rotate motor in forward or backward direction. Inside loop function, read the received IR decoded values. Based on these values, move the car in required direction. If no data received, then we will stop all the motors. I have provided the link to the code in the description below. You can upload it directly. Now let's upload the code. Connect Arduino Nano to laptop using USB cable. Select Arduino board and port. Hit upload. Now connect battery to car. That's it. Let's see how it works. we need to remember following points. We need to get the IR codes of our remote buttons first. We need to provide proper power supply to this car. Please use only rechargeable batteries. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Stay safe and please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.